In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Figma to Wix Studio plugin so you can quickly transfer your Figma designs into Wix Studio and streamline your website creation process. To get started, open Figma and navigate to the project containing the design you want to use. Once your project is open, click on the Actions option located in the toolbar. Next, use the search field to search for Figma to Wix Studio. When the plugin appears in the results, select it and open the plugin. After launching the plugin, follow the prompts on your screen. You may be asked to sign in to your Wix Studio account and grant the necessary permissions. Once connected, choose the design frames or elements you want to transfer from Figma. The plugin will then process your design and prepare it for Wix Studio. Depending on the size of your project, this may take a few moments. Once the process is complete, your design will be available in Wix Studio, allowing you to continue building and customizing your website without manually recreating the layout. Take a moment to review the imported design and make any adjustments if needed. This helps ensure everything looks exactly the way you want before publishing your site. And that's it. You've successfully used the Figma to Wix Studio plugin to transfer your design from Figma